this is the trail. So not only the Christian religion can come and heal. Every religion like Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, everyone we welcome and come and heal. Because someone are like stuck in the city life, so can come and meditate from here and heal. So thank you.
Kawa ajhushan kithang di jawl laga rasta bana ase aji CBYD youth president ba loigna mohan kam kuri ase yate national highway agane purana rasta to biya gurje etu ane mohan notun bana ase. Mr. President,
sorry, I'm not a president.
oh, my bad. Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers. Chusma laga karne alop kaldi.
Yes.
Aro duana se CBYD khan repairing grase resting sheet aro idu national highway du ase idu national highway agari mohan du Goa ajhushan la kithang laga rasta do divert kurina bali banai ase.
Yeah, hello family members.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Itu ase ajhushan kithang laga notun rasta bana do yati raibo finally mohan complete hoya ase so moi dikhai do kina banai se hoina apni ange like rasta to man phal no ho kini ka kam do thuk pai he phuni do para kam kuri de hati ande thuk pai nai le bu baro camera di ma phal nai hoile bi rail de ajule na mucha de purana rasta do like man thuk pai da je relief ho brother is still working. Hello brother.
Hello.
Would you like to give any message to the viewers or kind of awareness information?
Hi viewers. Today the CBYD, the Julangan Peace Youth Department, we are maintaining this trail to the viewpoint. And this viewpoint is like everyone can come and heal and meditate from here. So dear viewers, if you visit this place, please be responsible. Please don't throw the plastic waste. If you are bringing that plastic, please take back and leave every place better and leave photographies and your memories and your footprints. So this is the trail. So not only the Christian religion can come and heal. Every religion like Hindu, Muslim, Buddhist, everyone we welcome and come and heal because someone are like stuck in the city life, so all can come and meditate from here and heal. So thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope everyone got his message, and I'm sure everyone would be a responsible person for this very place. So all the viewers, I request you once again, so be a responsible person. And then this very place, like this particular location, and I'll show you the viewpoint. Here it goes. They are still working, rebuilding, repairing this resting sheet, and that is the actual viewpoint. 보나스나 사디간 조금 나 가위데 나 기르비 오퍼봐. Brother, kiniga, don't be shy. Mr. Bazu, see, this is how they maintain this area. There is clearing, that snowfall one, and down there painting, wheelchair, ojo, that is canking, and this is Juklangan. You can read this one. It will be repair go like go. Pangishe. Manura pangatisna ta injo crack ho jaisna chenne. Pono like go do it. And there is National Highway away to U. And U village is not visible. That is the one. That is the one. Wow. Mazbut bana dia.